How to log into your PNC Bank's online banking account. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can log into your PNC Bank's online banking account. So to do that, first of all, go to any web browser of your preference and in the web address bar, simply type in PNC Bank. After that, open the first link, which is pnc.com. Now you will be taken to the official homepage of PNC Bank, where you'll have to basically look at the sign on option, which will usually be on the top right side of your screen. Simply tap on it and then you will be provided with this drop down box, where in order to log in, simply enter your user ID, your password, and once you tap on the option login, you'll have successfully logged into your PNC Bank's online banking account. But in any case, if you forgot your user ID or your password, you can simply reset them by tapping the option forgot ID or password, and once you follow all the steps provided to you, you will have successfully reset them or recovered them. And in any case, if you are not yet enrolled to online banking services of PNC Bank, you can simply do so by tapping the option enroll in online banking. So that is basically how you log into your PNC Bank's online banking account. That was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.